Hi there! If you're looking for a really cool and powerful party speaker, then you must check out the newly launched Sony's XV800. And boy, this one sounds like being at a concert. It's a Bluetooth speaker with party LED lights like you can see, and it's got support to attach a microphone and even a guitar, making it perfect for those karaoke nights. But what makes it even a sweeter deal for me, that it's got support to connect it to your TV so you can enjoy music and movies with audio of the next level. Oh, did I mention this huge speaker will last you 25 hours on a single charge. Yes, it's got battery inside, so you can carry it to the beach. You can actually make any place a party place. Trust me, you'll love it. Let me share everything in detail, starting with the unboxing. So the big brown box returns, just a different dimension this time. You can see the image of the speaker on the side. Here you can see the manufacturing details and the MRP of 64,990. Don't worry, you can get it for a lot lesser. The model number XV800 comes with 25 hours battery, IPX4 rating when placed vertically and IPX2 rating when placed horizontally, USB play and charge, and finally support for microphone and guitar. Alright, let's open it up. So obviously it's impossible to lift the speaker from the box, so the best way would be to turn it upside down. Now just pull up the box. There you go. Inside the box is the speaker itself. Then you have one power cable. Then you have some paperwork that includes the warranty card. You have the reference guide. You have the setup guide, some more paperwork, and a really good quality optical cable. First look and I can tell you, you'll fall in love with it. It weighs 18.5 kg, but still it's portable. I know it's a little harder to lift it, but the best part is it comes with wheels at the bottom and handle on the top. So basically you just tilt it a little and pull it over. It's so convenient. There's a Sony branding written on bold on the front handle and it looks so cool. The front speaker mesh is made of metal and is extremely well built. In total, it houses 5 tweeters and 2 X-balance speaker units for mids and bass. 3 front-firing tweeters, 2 on the top, 1 at the bottom, and 2 towards the back for omnidirectional sound. You can spot the LED lights behind the handle on the top, which kind of reflects on the speaker itself. There are more LED lights at the bottom, which reflect off to the floor, making it a perfect party speaker. The LED lights work in sync with the music, giving it that party vibe. You can further customize the LED lights from the companion app. Then all the controls are on the top. There's pause play, there's volume up and down, there's mega bass, there's Bluetooth, there's optical in, audio in, USB and light. Basically you can toggle on and off the LED lights directly from here. The buttons are backlit and are also well spread to avoid accidental touches. Then this gap on the top is designed perfectly to place your phone. Trust me, it comes so handy when you're playing music over Bluetooth from your phone. And guess what? You can even use the speaker to charge your phone from the USB port behind. The back has this web-shaped texture which looks so cool. There's a door here and tucked inside are some controls and input ports. There's a battery care button, there's a key control, there's an echo button, there's a guitar button. You can connect 2 mics or 1 mic and 1 guitar at the same time. Knobs on the top to adjust the gain and volume. USB port so you can play your music directly from your pen drive. Optical to connect it to smart TVs. Then the regular yet most convenient aux input and the power input. The XV800 supports AAC, SPC and LDAC codec. So rest be assured the audio fidelity should be amazing. Alright, enough info, let's come to the main deal, the sound. So the first demo is we'll play music via Bluetooth. Alright, so I have to start by saying 2 things. The mic that we just used to record this demo cannot justify the true experience these speakers can produce. It's not even close. And secondly, your neighbors are going to be very jealous. They can get so loud that it's unbelievable. At just 20-30%, it's loud enough for indoor parties. You can feel the vibration on the furniture if you go any louder. Also, not a hint of distortion even at high volume. Excellent clarity, wide sound and super deep bass. The Sony Party speaker is gonna be the talking point of the party. It's ideal for terrace parties, for pool parties, and why only parties? You can even listen to soft music on your balcony while sipping your evening brew. What do you say? My favorite part, it comes with optical port to connect to the TV, so you can use the XV800s as an external speaker for digital audio output. Make sure you turn on the booster option from the controls. Now, let's see how it sounds.
Why would I betray you?
We all have our secrets. We just didn't get to yours yet.
So, the XV800 tries to mimic the soundbar experience, and let me tell you, it comes pretty close. Firstly, excellent bass, and the punch is also really good, so action scenes will go to the next level. It gets so loud that it will put most theaters to shame. Coming to the Sony Music Center companion app. From here you can control and customize a lot of things. Firstly, you can check out the battery percentage, then you can group this speaker with another XV800 speakers for stereo pairing sound, or even pair multiple of these for a huge outdoor event. Then you can see all the input sources that you can control directly from here. Then further popular music streaming apps like Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Music directly integrated for quick access. Software updates, like right now you can see there's already an update available. Then in settings, sound options, you can custom set the equalizer, just 3-band equalizer. Then you can set profiles like mega bass or live sound. Trust me, live sound feels like being at a concert. Then the TV sound booster is best used when connected to the TV. Then Bluetooth connection quality, you can prioritize on sound quality or stable connection, choose accordingly. In power options, you can toggle on and off the stamina mode that reduces power consumption. Then battery care, where it suppresses the charge to just 90% to extend the battery service life. Then further below, some more battery optimization features. Then in illumination, select lighting mode, tons of LED light options that you can choose from. By the way, you can completely turn off the LED lights if you want to. It will also help you conserve battery. Then Bluetooth devices that you have connected at a single touch, always handy. Overall, the app is really simple and easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. So, the XV800 is a super versatile speaker. It's a party speaker. It's a beach speaker. It's a poolside speaker. It's a home speaker. It's a TV speaker. Baap re, aur kya chahiye? It comes with 25 hours of battery backup, which I think is amazing for such a huge speaker like this. Then you can also plug in a microphone and guitar. Basically, everything is sorted. It also supports quick charge. 10 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours of music playback. This is so handy. The Sony XV800 provides extremely impressive sound with the convenience of it being portable. Just drag it and take it anywhere. Easily recommended. You can buy it for 45,500 from Amazon.in. I'll share the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.